Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you a tip of what you should do if one side is not working for the JBL Tune 773 NC. So what you can try to do is turn off the headphones and now turn them on. And then hold the minus and plus button together for like 10 to 15 seconds. So this is a factory reset, and what will happen is that they are going to turn off. So they're going to reset. So this is something that you can try to do, and let me down below in the comments if it's going to help out. Also, what you can try to do, try to connect it to different device. Maybe even that is going to be the issue. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.